Om Namah Shivaya. I'm back again about workshops. See, listen, to get more and more students, you have to conduct workshops. Whether you are a new yoga teacher or a senior yoga teacher, whether you are a digital coach, any coach, you have to conduct workshops. So please write down in your notebook. Now, let me talk about today about the senior yoga teachers. See, a senior yoga teacher has got, say, 100 students. Now, all 100 students are paying, say, 2000 rupees per month. So, teacher is collecting 2 lakh rupees. I have so many students who are collecting 2 lakh rupees. There is one important thing. Some people discontinue. The yoga students discontinue. There will be 1,000 reasons for discontinue. That your student may become pregnant, or your student may get some job, or she is married and she has gone to some village, or your student has shifted to a place where there is no place to practice yoga, or there is sometimes where I have seen husband is not allowing wife to do yoga. 1,000 reasons students will discontinue. So you have 100 students, next month there will be 90 only. What will you do as a senior yoga teacher? After 2 months, 80. So the number is coming down. So you have to fill 10 students leaving, you have to add 15 students. So from where you will get these new students? How will you get? Workshops, again and again, weekly one workshop. For example, now as a senior yoga teacher, you have students, you are teaching yoga. What workshops you conduct? Think and now, as a senior yoga teacher, what I recommend, conduct face yoga workshop and invite all your 90 students to come to face yoga workshop. At same time, invite new students and tell your students, get each student 4 students. They do it. If your students are sincere, they do it. Now, out of your 90 students, 50 students will attend for your face yoga workshop. This is an example. Now, they will bring another 50 students. So, total 100 are attending. Now, this is a secret I'm revealing. So, beginning of the workshop or in between the workshop, end of the workshop, you have to play magic. What is the magic? For example, what I used to do, for example, I have 50 students, existing students join the workshop. Listen carefully, use your mind. Otherwise, you don't understand. So 50 existing students attended, their friends joined another 50, total 100 people are attending workshop. So what I will do, I will pick up one person who has lost maximum weight. See, people don't believe all the yoga teachers. There are depressed yoga teachers. There are some mental fellows in the society. So, but you are a good teacher. So how do you tell them that you are a good teacher? You cannot tell, I am a good teacher, I am the best teacher. Nobody will believe you. So ask your student, hey, who has lost maximum weight in last 6 months? And somebody will say, Madam, I lost 12 kgs. All the 50 students are listening. They think, oh my God, 12 kgs. So ask her, did I tell you any special diet? Student says, no, madam, I am eating what I am eating. No diet. So all the 50 students, if you look at in the 10, 20 girls will be there, obese girls. So you ask another person, end of the session, how are you getting mental health? How many of you are feeling stress relief in my classes? Everybody will say, we are feeling stress relief, stress relief. No, your existing students are telling the benefits. You ask, how many of you are getting anger control? Somebody will say, Madam, my anger control. So by listening this 50, the new 50 students they start thinking, okay, not only that on the screen, everybody is watching, 100 people are attending. Okay, this lady is a senior teacher, good teacher, looks like good teacher. So in that 50, believe my words, 25 people guarantee will join for your classes. Tell them that, see, I take now stage 1, stage 2, how to convert them. See, you tell all your students, see, listen, I'm conducting this workshop. I take 2000 rupees from every student. But since you have joined my workshop, I'm giving 500 rupees discount. You can join my regular fitness yoga classes. Give on the spot 500 rupees discount. See the magic. 20, 30 people will pakka join. So this is the way. During the workshops, you have to help the people to join your classes. See, you have to do little marketing, mandatory for you. Nobody is going to, this so-called marketing agencies, social media fellows are of no use for our yoga teacher profession. I'm telling you, all the yoga teachers, remember, see, other professions different. Our profession is different. Our profession works on word of mouth. Suppose you help somebody to get out of diabetes. That diabetes fellow will tell 10 people that Ashok sir has helped me. I'm proudly telling, every month we get lot of references. When a girl is reducing weight, people will watch her. They will ask her, hey, where are you going? They will say, I'm going to Bodhi Yoga Studio. Yeah. So senior yoga teachers, remember, keep conducting workshops. And at same time, remember, don't harass your students. Politely request them. But at same time, you have to do your legwork. You distribute your flyers in different groups. You post it on Instagram. Spend some 1,000 rupees, boost it. Yeah, and go to some gated community. They take some 500 rupees to share it in the WhatsApp groups. And you have 50 students, ask them to share it in their WhatsApp groups. They will do. Definitely they will do. Please understand. Yeah. So if you invite 1,000 people, 50 people will join, 5%. No legwork, no student for workshops. If you are new yoga teacher, you have to do lot of legwork. How to invite your friends to your workshop. In the next video, I'm going to share. Om Namah Shivaya.